Hello there, and thank you for joining me today. If you've watched my channel, you know that I typically plan in the Happy Planner, which I still do, but I will be doing a 2019 planner lineup video soon, and this planner will be included in that. I'm kind of changing some things up and adding a few planners. But this planner, I love it. This is the Aura Estelle B6 leather notebook. And I got the one that is all black. Just love this planner. And I don't really have it fully set up or decorated yet, so I hesitated doing this, but I thought I would at least go ahead and get started. This planner is the Muji notebook, and really like it. It's B6 size, which is essentially the size of the mini Happy Planner that I've been planning in. So just temporarily, I've kind of got the holiday insert there. It shows you 2018, 2019, 2020, year at a glance. I might just put birthdays and anniversaries on these two pages. I hadn't done that yet. But what I did do, it started in December, is then I put all my monthly stickers for the whole year, because this does go through 2019, and then it goes through January of 2020. So I just kind of, for the month of January, wanted to keep it really simple, and I just put down holidays, paydays, and bill days. And then the reason why I love this planner is because of this layout. There's a video by Carrie Harling that is so helpful, and it basically explains planner piece. And I agree with her. I'll link the video down below, but essentially it's you are planning within a planner in a layout that works best for you, and that can occur in any kind of a planner, if that makes sense. So like, I love this layout. I can use it in a personal ring. I love this layout in a Hobonichi Weeks, which is another one coming for 2019. And then here it is in the B6. It's just a format, a layout that I feel I can plan effectively in. I have the view from last month, and then the current month. It has my entire week, and then it goes from Monday to Sunday, which I like having my weekends together. And then it has an entire grid page, where this is where, because I am a list maker, out of all the planners that I have used, I have come to the conclusion, I'm a list maker. I have to have a place to write down my list of to-dos. And so then I can have a running to-do list for the week. And so I'm really excited about this planner. I love the paper. It's not quite Tomo River paper, but it's very, very smooth and takes ink really well. And in the back, it's got a few grid pages, not a lot. And I have it looped, if you can see that, maybe not, on the first and the fourth elastic. So I still have room. I'm probably just gonna get just a plain B6 notebook, just to have a brain dump notebook for on the go. That'll probably go there, but that's pretty much all that will be in here. So I thought it would be fun to start, got my little things here. I would like to plan for the first week in this planner and see how we do. So I've got all of my stickers off to the side, and we are just gonna get started. there, it's gonna be a lot of just functional planning and functional stickers. But yeah, I think it kind of turned out kind of cute. So again, this was my first time in this planner, and I'd like to kind of use it for the year and see how I do. So any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the section below. And thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time.